Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning. All right. Sucks with the delay. My fault. I thought that we were going to get this hourly gap tag on the NASDAQ, but no. It is an hour. It is a 15-minute or an hourly precision swing point. Gold possible SMT at the lows. Let me see. Let me see. Uh, Oh, there goes gold. Gold's going down to Asia. Sucks that you can't trade gold on Apex, but is what it is. Sucks that you can't trade it during Asia. Bon appetit is right. Pretty slow day, honestly. No trades taken. Nothing clear from hourly or 4-hour time frames. Bone app PT. I came on with the idea of looking for a trade for this hourly. Like if this new hourly candle created the hourly gap and we traded into it, and then I frame a trade from there. But typically my cutoff time is 11 o'clock. But if something is priming, I'll look to take the trade from 11 to 12. I'm happy to hear that, Slim. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Obviously, the market goes on some dry streaks where it doesn't really offer me opportunity, but I'm not somebody that takes trades every day. I will refuse to do that. You don't need to take trades every day. If it doesn't match perfectly with how I need price to be, then I won't take it. My funded accounts haven't been touched since Wednesday. I think that this week has been bad. But, I mean, do yourself your own service of checking right now. Look at the daily time frame. Look at how we have been trading. I have never seen price on indices move this shitty. Like, look at this. This daily time frame is like it's like an arc, and it looks like all of this, like this trend line set in here, like it just looks so bad. It's not like price running high, setting in wicks, and then lower. Like it's been a problem. Oh, there goes gold. Asia lows. But we are getting pretty pummeled on Index futures. I think that we're gonna at least go to the daily external low on the Dow Jones. But I do think that Wipeout has definitely been pretty shit. I'm so picky with my trades. I'm so picky. I think that YM, bro. I think you have the same idea as me. I think 46,333 is the daily external lows. One thing that I wish that we had a clean reversal so that I could have executed on like my personal account and swung the position. Fuck. That's what I wish. Good morning, Tevin. There was a 30-minute setup like I saw here. Like, look. This is the only thing I saw. Well, actually, here's the problem. So if I go to the 30-minute, that was disgusting. Anyways, let's actually just start off by going on the 4-hour time frame. And the primary reason why I stayed flat. So I would have looked for a trade today if we had some sort of cracking correlation within price inside of this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. I would have prioritized the Dow Jones also on top of that. So we had no SMT within this gap, right? We had corresponding highs like this. I would have maybe assumed the NASDAQ or the S&P 100 would have ran this at least this high here. We didn't get that, right? We even inversed the 4-hour bullish gap, and then we traded lower. But we had all this correlation in price here. We had correlation in price between the London highs here. Boom and boom. Everything was correlated like this. You go to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame, the only crack in correlation in price on the hourly time frame was here. Literally this. Higher high between the 7 a.m. and the 6 a.m. candle. Higher high there, and then a lower high here. That was the only crack in correlation on the intermediate term perspectives. 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame was this. 30-minute candle high. Not even a gap on the Dow Jones. It was this. That was the only crack in correlation that we got. That's it. This high here with this high here. This and this. That was all we had. That's it. Nothing of like pure value that was something to like factor in. unless you took like even the Dow Jones and you wanted to take the Dow Jones. We had this menacing wick here. Wait, actually, this menacing wick at 10:45 that even if you took shorts on YM from like this IFVG on the 5, this candle would have stopped you out. It's like you would have been stopped out here. Like this is not price action that I'm labeling as value whatsoever. Unless you're trading a 30-second chart. Like there's really nothing that I could do here. If you're scalping and taking trades on the 1 minute time frame, you're good, probably. So definitely today was not for the week. I annotate price on all time frames and I give my annotations based off of what I just said. I basically put my words that I just gave you guys into text format on my charts. I give detailed descriptions as to why I didn't take a trade, the reasoning behind it, what price did, why it did it. My fucking arms are so sore. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm done for the AM too as well. I agree. I agree. We haven't been moving with speed at all today. What up? Maybe something big will happen in the world. Who knows, bro? Honestly, that's what I'm kind of leaning towards. I feel like the market's waiting for some fucking crazy shit to happen. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, but I feel like the war needs to escalate a little bit, OG. Like, I feel like what's holding the market up or what keeps on giving the market like these periodical bounces is like Trump saying these things about the war, like, oh, the war is going to end soon. It's going to end. Like, it's going to end. The market's going to go up, blah, 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 blah. And then next thing you know, a bomb's going to hit. Like we have a president that is so active on social media that his words literally impact the market so dramatically. And then we have events in the world that will happen that will literally cause the market to gap down whatever it did over the weekend here. And then run external targets when we are like literally right at weekly open. Like we're in these fucking crazy ass times right now where it's hard to depict current price delivery. He doesn't stop. Doesn't stop. Mm, 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 mm. What's up, Adam? I took trades on Monday and Wednesday. Fundeds have been sitting since then. I took trades on my live account that I closed yesterday. Trump is playing golf with Barron, and we're here just sitting through boring ass price action. So boring, bro. Yeah, I typically do heavy risk on evaluations. When will price action delivery get better? When the daily starts trending. Because we're still within this. We're still within this shit. Unfortunately. I genuinely think that the Dow Jones is going to make its way down to here, though. Who's paying eval after? You should not be on an eval for 3 months, bro. That's crazy. I risk normal once I have the fresh PA. Until I have buffer. But typically I'll just risk normal until I have payout eligibility. Can I blame you? I mean, kind of. The only bad time as of recently has been March. March has just been boring. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, I still DJ a little bit. Over on the weekends. I'm using my Asia sessions from 8 to 12. Face of awakening, bro. Maybe if it were traces in there by PM. That's a little pop. London has been so much cleaner than New York. I will safely say that now. London has been. You guys have been getting blessed during London. Look at me. That's fair. What up? I have 24/7/20 marked off on NASDAQ. Basically, we have opportunity for potential inside of this 90-minute. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do, 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 do. Yeah, news didn't do anything, bro. News didn't do anything. Long time no see, Adam. How you doing, bro? Hope you've been well. I think London really has been doing fucking numbers. Dodgy did copy my haircut. He got the low taper fade. He got the low taper fade. Yeah, he needs minoxidil or rosemary oil. He's on peptides. He's literally on them. You don't need to know what peptides are, bro. Trust. Trust. It's better off that you just stay normal. You don't need it. You don't need it, my friend. Just stay your normal, natural self. Trust. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Oh, 11:54. Get this giveaway going soon. Get this giveaway going soon. Mm. My screen time on Insta went up 4 hours because of your story. I love it. No, I was literally on Twitter, bro. All right. Let's figure out what the word of the day is. Okay. All right. Let's figure out the word of the day. I'm thinking. SARMs? Pah. Huh. All right, I got one. I got one. I got one. I'll say it in I'll say it in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hack squat. Because that's what I have to do today. I have to hack squat and I'm dreading it. Hack squat. Bank squat. Hack squat. Squat, not squad. Hack squat. 2 words. 2 words. All right, I got it. Oh my god. All right. It's DGDGT0 and Top War Funds. That sounds like a game in the App Store. Those are the 2 winners. Right there. So all you need to do is open up a ticket in the Blue Guardians Futures Discord, and they will issue your account via email. So open up a ticket in their Discord. They will situate it for you, and they will issue the account to you. But with that, it's 2 words, Papa. It's 2 words, not 1. But Ralph is doing another YouTube live on Guardian TV, giving away more accounts, so you'll be able to also win for that too as well. But with that being said, I hope you guys all have a great rest of your trading day. I personally wouldn't do anything, and I would just kind of like sit on your hands. I don't really think that this is going to be any sort of value. You could watch for this 90-minute gap to form and form, but if we trade into it, we create like an SMT at it. Maybe that's an opportunity for you guys, but I don't see any value right now in price and how we're trading. But I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Be safe, have a good weekend, and I will be back next week for more live streams. So take care, y'all. Be easy.